right, so now that we've reviewed the solving the equations with our hands motions and stuff, let's make sure we write them down again. So today's date is either going to be 10/1, it's already October on Thursday, or 10/2 for Friday. 10/1 for Thursday, 10/2 for Friday, end of the quarter. Crazy. And today we are doing multi-step equations. Okay, so we're going to take what we've been working on, our two-step equations, and everything that we've done the past couple days in class with that, in that review, and we're going to expand on it, all right? So first, let's write down our steps. They are no different than solving a two-step equation. So we have our steps, and then remember, as we just looked at, 1 is our barrier, 2 is distribute, and remember, distributing is when you have a number and then you have something in the parentheses, right? Maybe this is an X or a Y or whatever letter it is, okay? And then after you distribute, you combine like terms. After you distribute, you combine like terms. Once you combine like terms, remember we isolate the variable. Which means the opposite operation. So not the opposite of whatever the sign is, the opposite operation. All right? And then our last step, as always, is going to be to check. The last step, as always, is going to be to check. All right? So make sure you have that done, written down. And then we're going to move on to some examples, all right? So example number 1 is going to be 7x plus 4 plus 7 equals 88. 7x plus 4 plus 7 equals 88. Our first step is our barrier. Our second step is to distribute. Is there a number outside of parentheses? No, there is not, so there's nothing to distribute. So now we need to combine like terms. So we have to look. There are 3 terms on this side, so let's see if anything can be combined. Is there anything that is in the x family? Nope. So we're just going to leave it. Is there anything that's in the plain number family? Yeah, that plus 7. So let's put those 2 purples together. That would be 4 plus 7 is 11. And then just bring down our 7x and bring down our 88. Now we have a 2-step equation. Y'all know how to solve that? You already showed me that by racking that quiz. We want to subtract 11 on both sides. And then inverse. So x equals 11. So if we go to check that, we would have 7x plus 4 plus 7, and we are seeing if that equals 88. So 7 times 11 plus 4 plus 7, and we are seeing if that equals 88. This equals 77 plus 4 plus 7. That's 81 plus 7. 88 equals 88. That checks out. So this is indeed our answer. Great job.